Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink install video. And today we're going to be installing the ink on the Canon TR 8620A. Now if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now there's going to be some links down in the description below. They're product links to various products that I'm going to be talking about here in the video. So you're going to be opening up the top compartment of the printer so you have access to the print head. The print head should be right in the middle, and once it is, that will allow you to begin installing the ink cartridges. So the first ink cartridge I usually like to install is the black ink, and if you're getting it right out of the box, you're gonna have to remove all of the wrapping around it. The cap, the orange cap, is gonna have to be removed, and essentially you're gonna be holding it out right in front of you, just like that, where you can read left to right, and then you're going to be installing the ink cartridge front to back. So you're going to be placing it into the front, and you're going to be clicking it from the back. Now I'm going to be doing this a few times so that you get a good idea of what it is that you need to do. We're going to be installing cyan. At this point, you can see that there's actually a chip there at the bottom or at the back of the ink cartridge. You want to make sure that that is how it's being installed. That the chip is going to be connecting to that print head. That's actually what's going to give a lot of the information as far as ink levels and everything else like that to the printer. Alright, the next color we're going to be installing is yellow. Same process here, and you want to install front to back. So you're placing it in right in the front. It should hook in, and then you should be able to hear a click. Once it's clicked, that means that it's in place. You should not be able to remove it. So if you were to go back, try to lift up that ink cartridge, it should stay in place. If it is removable, that means that you haven't clicked it in place. So here's the last ink cartridge that we need to install. This is the magenta ink. And just like that, I hope that this visual is helping you with installing the ink into your printer. So once the ink is installed, you then will close that up, and some initialization process will occur where the ink will be transmitted into the print head, so that way the printer can receive the ink and begin to print. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. If you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for some remanufactured ink for the Canon TR 8620A. You'll have to determine if you want to go that route. You will save quite a bit of money. I'll also leave some other links down there for the printer itself. Hopefully you have your ink installed at this point. But this is really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.